I'm Chinmay Jagga and I study in class 5. I study in Bishwan Shastri Nagar School, Ludhiana, Punjab. Today I'm going to add a video for Intelethon and I will tell you about the polar bear's habitat. So here I go. So firstly we should know what is the climate of the region where the polar bear survives. And of course remember that the polar bear lives in the tundra region. The tundra region is the frigid zone of the earth. Due to its extremely cold weather and windy conditions, this region lacks of biodiversity as we have seen elsewhere on earth. These regions are between the Arctic Circle and the North Pole and the Antarctic Circle and the South Pole. Winters are too harsh, dark and long, while summers are short and not too warm. Tundra region is also called the treeless zone of the earth. The freezing temperature averages around minus 28 degrees Celsius. Sometimes it can go as low as minus 50 degrees Celsius. That's huge. Now describe how the polar bear can adapt in the tundra region. The polar bear can live in the very harsh weather of the tundra region. It has thick layer of fat under its skin which protects it from the biting cold. It primarily feeds on seeds. Its webbed feet helps it to swim at a stretch in search of food. And a fact, a polar bear can weigh up to 500 kilograms. Still, it can swim at a speed of 10 kilometers per hour in the freezing Arctic waters. Apart from this, it can swim for 100 kilometers at a stretch in the search of food. Now you can see the children of the polar bear have thick coat of fur which protects them from the biting cold. You can see this polar bear is enjoying swimming. As I told you, they can swim at a stretch nearly about 100 kilometers in the search of food. And climate change and loss of sea ice habitat is the greatest threat to the polar bear. About 20 to 25 polar bear are left worldwide. We have to stop the pollution. And the point to ponder: we should keep calm and love polar bears. So that's all from my side. Chinmay Jagga signing off. Bye.